Good morning guys. 4 o'clock in the morning at Golias Heights guys. 4:05. Paspasan na to basin makabot taog sunrise ron. So paghapon guys, Wednesday, yan to taog Danau. Mag-record sa doon tapog sunrise niya. Magyapon foggy, magyapon kayo. Ako na to karon basin maka-timing taog sunrise ron sa Golias Heights. So gikan diri guys sa Inodata padong dito sa Golias Heights around 23 km. $4.20. So naana ta sa Pardo guys. Padong na ta sa Bulacau. Nindot kayo ang panahon. Wala mag-uwan. Wala si traffic. Kay kadlawon. Mo ni nindot nakanindot sa kadlawon. Karon guys, mag morning ride rata. Higo rata mo tambay kadali dito nya kung okay sa dang panahon atong ipalupad atong drone nya minta lagig na ang sunrise run para makakuha ta og kuan indot na shot. Guys, ano mingla arita exit. Arita exit nya. Kanay bike. So 4:53 nanata sa Esquina Abuno kasi makabot rata wala pa man sa siya. So liko mo diri sa right. Nice Opis Big Shop oh. Esquina Abuno. Start of the climb guys. Good morning, Papa God. Ambot ko maklaro ba niya guys? Kana ba? Mo na siya start sa climb. Andi ako na diri so good. Ready for a demon, I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. God must change, I just hinani ka ngit-ngit ang Golias Heights guys. Sa ngit-ngit. Steady 15% na. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
So naanata sa Gulyas Heights. Time check 5:17. Pero mga 5:10 abot naman ko diri 5:10. Kanang Gulyas Heights is 202. Di siya inana kataas guys, pero sakit man gud, daghahait na portion mo nang daghan sakitan masaka diri sa Gulyas Heights. So magtambay lang sa tadiri guys, paabot ta sa sunrise.
Which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. You don't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E right in your side. You will never see me coming. You don't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E right in your side. You will never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
So makita na dire ang Gaisano Minglanilla guys. So dire na ako i-end ang video. Salamat sa mga nananaw sa akong video, sa mga viewers, sa mga subscribers. Sunod na sad. Bye guys.